two things. Malapit na pong magpasko at malapit na rin pong magbagong taon. Kaya hayaan niyo pong ako ang maunang bumati sa inyo ng isang maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. Today is going to be a joy-filled Kababayan LA because we have lots of reasons to celebrate the generosity of our kababayans, the unity of the Kapampangans, and of course the success of two Filipinas in Broadway. Malalaman po natin ang storya ngayon sa ating Nepales Reports. Ruben Nepales, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA. How are you?
Hi, Janelle. Kumusta?
Maligayang Pasko sa iyo, Ruben. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. All right, we are very excited to hear about the success of our two kababayans in Broadway. Nakapunta ka doon, nakausap mo sila at napanood mo sila. Let's start with Ana Maria Perez de Tagle.
Yes, mapalad tayo, Janelle. Nasa New York tayo the weekend. And we're very happy na dalawang Filipinas are making their mark in New York. Una nga si Ana Maria Perez de Tagle, anak po ni Sylvia Latore, who's in Godspell.
Okay, tell us about Godspell.
Yeah, Godspell, I'm sure bata ka pa noon nung nag-debut ito noon. But 34 years ago, nag-debut ang Godspell. It's basically parang vaudeville act based on Jesus' parables according to St. Matthew.
Okay.
So, bali parang 10 persons doing different characters portraying the parables ni Jesus.
Alright, kung bata ako nung nag-debut ito, I'm sure mas bata si Ana Maria. So, what is her role in this?
Hindi pa siya siguro pinapanganak. But as I said, 10 actors doing different characters. And you met as Ana Maria, very shy siya kung di wala siya sa stage and very quiet. Kaya nagulat kami when we saw her because she was do different characters. In fact, pati yung father, she was the father of the prodigal son.
Okay.
She was one of the apostles. Nagulat ako dahil game na game siya. So she showed she really has promise on stage, and all the critics are raved about her.
Yes, and we had Ana Maria here before. Sinabi nga niya sa atin na ang first love niya daw talaga kasi is Broadway, itong mga musical. So, is she planning on focusing on this more? Paano niya kaya ibabalance yung TV shows and films?
Palagay ko, this is a good start for her kasi magaganda nga ang reviews, as we said. So I think kasi as you mentioned, ito ang first love nga niya. So I think she also has met with Cameron Mackintosh before. So palagay ko ito na ang kanyang simula ng better things for her on stage.
All right, and we wish her luck. Bessie Badilla watched her at na-remember daw ni Bessie ang kanyang lola na si Sylvia Latore while watching Ana Maria.
Yes, lahat kami naalala namin si Sylvia Latore kasi bigla kami na-realize na ba talagang namana nga ni Ana Maria ang talents ng kanyang legendary singer-actress na lola. Kaya pati si Bessie nga naiyak nga din siya kasi although humorous yung Godspell, may mga portions na nakakaiyak kasi it shows the crucifixion, the Last Supper. So namin ni Bessie Badilla, ang ating kaibigan na model na naging singer-actress at saka producer na ngayon, na ilang beses din siyang napaiyak.
All right. So congratulations to Ana Maria. More power. And as they say in the theater world, break a leg. Also making waves in New York. Ang atin naman pong kababayan ni si Camille Mana for her role sa Asuncion.
By the way, before I forget, in the cast pala is Salazar na Filipino-American din. Ang nanay niya is from Tanay Rizal, while his father is from Ecuador. And they're going to Camille. Very proud naman tayo sa nasa off-road naman si Camille sa Asuncion, as we reported before, and I'm sure nakusap mo din siya. She plays a Filipina na dinrap off ng brother and then played by Jesse Eisenberg and Justin Bartha. Kinuha sila temporarily to live with them sa apartment nila. So what happens is that dalawang liberals, itong dalawang guys na ito, and Jesse's character automatically becomes now mail-order bride siguro si Camille, just because she's from Asia. And si Justin Bartha, on the other hand, just delights in her presence.
All right. Do you think that Camille is also better suited? Maybe will have to concentrate more on stage than doing TVs and TV shows and films?
Well, the wonderful thing is actually hindi masyadong extensive ang experience ni Camille sa stage, but she proves that she can be a very good stage actress. But I think, based from my talk with her, gusto niya i-combine ang film at saka stage careers niya.
Ayan. All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing those stories with us. Ruben, I know marami pa kaming mababasa sa Inquirer.net. Ano ba? What are you working on?
I'm working on Martin Scorsese about his Hugo, and today out na yung column ko on Henry Cavill, the new Superman, and bukas si Jessica Chastain, the actress who seems to be in all these good films coming out this year. And by the way, Janelle, if our kababayans are in New York, I do recommend that they watch Asuncion and Godspell kasi matutuwa ka talaga dito sa dalawang kababayan natin.
All right, Ruben Ipales, our kababayan in the Hollywood Foreign Press Association, always traveling, always working, walang pahinga. Merry Christmas to you and more power.
Same to you, Janelle. Thank you very much.
All right. That was Ruben Ipales, isa po siyang board member sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association ng HFPA po, ang nagpo-produce ng Golden Globes every year, and we are very privileged that he shares stories with us here on Kababayan LA.